Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Inovi, where I show you how easy it is to prepare your favorite meals with healthy options, driving directions around Jamaica's self-care, home care, and so much more. My focus is always on a healthy lifestyle and discussions on how to maintain a positive mindset. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Subscription is free, so all you need to do is press that red arrow at the bottom of the video. Passing the Total gas station on your left and the First Caribbean Bank on your right. Check this road to your left, it goes into Sovereign Center in Portmore here. Oh my goodness, these children! Alright. On the right you have the JUTC bus park or bus center. This road goes straight ahead across the stoplight. That's how you drive to go to the beaches and where you get the fish to eat by the seaside. Burger King on your left, Little Caesars, Pizza Hut, KFC. Have a couple call centers. This place I think is gonna be a call center. We have some plazas with doctors. At Blue Plaza have a doctor and a pharmacy over there, and a wholesale and a couple other places, including the water place where some of the gated communities pay, BDML. They don't use NWC. So we're heading toward Nago's Head. It's like a little roundabout sort of intersection. But you can take this road to go, you can take the left to go back to where we're coming from. And you're going to take the right. You can go straight down and go to Port Henderson Road, or you can also take the left here to go back to like Highland Supermarket side. And here is a restaurant over there called Woody's. I haven't been there in a while. Not bad. Salt and pepper though. Chicken. So over here we're gonna make a stop first at this place, Jamaica Plumbing Supplies Limited. I need a water filter. Forgot to take a photo of the water filter. Let's hope. Take the green arrow. Turn on the green arrow. To your left. Around like a little roundabout. See, and then paving blocks there on your left. That's where we get the paving stones for our yards. Some of the communities do not allow you to do use concrete on your lawn. You have to use a paving stone so that water is absorbed into the soil. place here. The person that goes up on park. Very nice place here. They are on Mullines Road too. They were on Mullines Road first before they built up this big place here. It's fancy. Okay, this is my filter. I was thinking of getting the charcoal one, but if you don't change it exactly after 3 months, you can run into some other issues. So I just bought this one because sometimes I forget to change it, and it was just $6.44 Jamaican dollars. So that's not bad. That's about 4 something US dollars. Okay, so we're finished here. To Rapid True Value. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to go back on the main road or if I can drive on the back road here. I'm really not sure. But I know some of those roads aren't that bad, but I'm not even sure how far down Rapid is. I need to go over C&M blocks and paving, but anyway, let's stay on this road and see what happens. See how the road stays. A long time I don't come around here, so oh my gosh, you could even wait. Go on, man. I tell you about these people, are so aggressive. God. Jelly person here, more want a jelly, you know. Okay, so I didn't get anything much in True Valley. I just got a rake handle, a gloves, and a pair of gloves, and what was the third item? A little handle saw I can use to cut some branches. I didn't have anything that I wanted, and I didn't even see any customer service person until afterwards I realized where the customer service person was, and they were dressed in grey, so I couldn't even see them based on how everything was set up. go straight ahead if you want to go to the highway, but we're not going to the highway today, so I'm taking the right. So you'll keep on the left and go straight ahead if you're going to the highway. See where those people going up there to that little road? That's the highway they're going. Another KFC around here. And there's a Burger King on your right, your Captain Bakery on your right. Seafood needs some more, and there's a supermarket down there. So, and lots of stores in this place on your left. It's a Portmore City Centre Mall. You have Captain's on your right. I haven't been to Captain's in a while. I used to love the bread. So nice Ardo bread. Another McMaster's Centre and Portmore Court stores on your left. Some churches around there, so too. Oh, this long line now is for Tasty. People going to Tasty till they reach another road, so I'm gonna drive around them. Be careful because the people's coming on your right. Nobody here going to Tasty. Spanish grain right here if you want to buy wholesale, especially meats and so. The Mega Mart, so this is where you go. Portmore Eye Surgery Center, Portmore Hospital Complex, and a pharmacy. Portmore Methodist Church is around here. So right on the back here to go to the Mega Mart. I wish they would give the back a little facelift. It always looks so desolate. Center, I didn't really realize. Oh, automotive art. I didn't even realize automotive art was around here. It's cool. I'm really into what you told to automotive art, not knowing one was over Portmore. drive through Bridgeport, but I'm not driving through Bridgeport because I did that in the other video from, I think it was downtown Kingston to Portmore. So I'm gonna go straight down to the Port Henderson Road and take that road to come back around to Portmore Pines. So if I wanted to take Port Henderson Road, which is otherwise called Back Road, to go back to the toll, I would take the left here. But I'm gonna wait. That bakery is still down here, right? Bakery. I didn't even know. Portmore Plaza on your left. I think he has a bar and they do music upstairs and all of that sometimes. You have Gina's Pharmacy on your left. call center in here, so the singer of a big store, that's furniture and appliances store.
Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to Island Grill.
Afternoon, can I get a satisfaction?
Regular satisfaction.
Yeah, but I want a half chicken.
You want it meat?
I want a half a chicken. What
Yes,
is-
I'm asking if you want the barbecue and the jerk.
No, jerk chicken, just jerk. With rice
Rice
and
and peas?
yeah, rice and peas,
Mm-hmm.
and some fricassee chicken with some fricassee gravy on the rice. Okay, so this is where our video ends today. Thank you again for watching, guys, and remember to like my video, to subscribe. Just touch on that little red arrow at the bottom right hand of the screen, and also to subscribe, to share, to comment. Just say nice video, anything, because that helps my video to grow. Thanks again for watching. I so appreciate you tuning into my channel, and also check out my other, like my cooking videos. I do some Jamaican stuff too. So thanks again for watching, and have a great day. Bye.